again and welcome to episode 8. One of the hardest parts of healing is realizing that not everyone you love will come to you. Akala ko dati, pag naghilom ako, mas magiging close kami ng mga taong mahal ko. Na kapag naging mas mabuti akong tao, mas tatagal yung mga relasyon ko. Pero natutunan ko, minsan, healing means outgrowing people. It's not because you stopped loving them, and it's not because they became bad. Minsan, you just started speaking a different language. You start craving peace instead of drama, honesty instead of half-truths, and depth instead of small talk. When I started choosing myself again, napansin ko, hindi lahat masaya para sa akin. Some people preferred the version of me that always said yes. Ramdam ko yan. And it's true. I was that person who always say yes to everyone, to everything. Yung version na laging available, yes. Laging nagbibigay, yes. Kahit wala nang natitira para sa sarili. And when I stopped being that person, some of them slowly walked away. It hurt kasi they were part of my world for so long. But I realized healing will sometimes clear the room for you, not to punish you, but to protect the peace you're finally building. If you're losing people while you heal, don't mistake it for failure. It's not proof na mali ka. It's proof that you're growing. And growth changes the view. Kung sino ang kasama mo, kung ano ang tinatanggap mo, at kung ano lang ang handa mong ibigay. Natakot ako. Natakot, nasaktan, and in a way, I felt lonely. But some people are chapters, and when the chapter ends, it doesn't mean the story's over. It just means you've turned the page. So keep going. Your healing will attract the ones who speak your language now. And those connections, they will feel lighter, safer, and truer than anything you've had before. Thank you again for watching and sitting with me, and I hope you like this episode. Don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe. This is Irene of Quiet Light by Irene. I'll see you in the next episode.